longest night of the year. The days are getting shorter, the nights are getting longer, and I can already feel the snow. It's the longest night of the year, and I can't feel the chill. It's the longest night of the year, and I wish you were here. The cookies are baked and my heart aches, but I can feel you here with us and hold on to the sound of your laughter in the air. The presents are wrapped and the table is set, but all I wanna do is nap and remember